okay, it's fucking. Hey, back up. I'm drenched, like I can't be any more wet.
Really chill.
Oh, there it is. Whole little tourist area. What was the name again of this waterfall? Tad Yuang?
I have to ask.
Tad
Google
Yuang?
Maps, I don't remember. You want to tell the viewers? Tad Yuang, right?
Tad Yuang. Tad Yuang waterfall. Yeah, I gotta say, this is a nice little area. Oh, here we go. Tad Yuang waterfall. I know they spell it differently, eh? Yeah.
But I mean, the spelling in English varies depending on the. But technically, Yuang.
Yeah.
The sound.
We're on our way back to Pakse from the hostel. What was it called again? What was his name? Fucking
Sangha?
Captain Hook. Captain Hook.
Captain Hook,
On the way
of
back,
course.
Captain Hook to Sangha downtown in Pakse. I know. How could I forget that already? Eh? Holy.
When you said the hostel, you confused me.
No. Yeah, I guess calling that a hostel is a bit of a stretch, but. Whoa. Sabadi. Sabadi. I was gonna say, who was walking down those? Let's take a look from here first. Fuck it. Oh. Wow. It's quite the drop off.
Huh?
Quite the drop off.
Just gonna go touch the water.
Yeah. Oh, this bridge is a little shaky.
It's fresh, but it's not like crazy.
Huh, yeah, that is a lot warmer than I thought, for sure.
I mean, that would be perfect if it was not like 17 degrees
I
outside.
know, yeah.
Really cool.
It's actually
No,
not
it's
too bad.
That's what
It's warmer than you think. Yeah, just go jump in right here.
For the video, I will do it.
Yeah. Come on, do it for the vlog.
And for the views. And Steve-O and this
Yeah, guys.
I don't want to cross that little bridge.
Screw it. Harry, Your shoe looks like almost like it's like dipped in chocolate or something. You know what I mean? When you get ice cream, it's like chocolate dipped.
Have a look.
Yeah, yeah. And just no handrails, nothing. Looks like someone stepped in it too. Not very fun. Then.
Huh?
People sue people in France?
Do people sue people?
Yeah.
For you mean for stupid stuff?
Yeah.
There
I
must
know
be.
what you mean.
Not really, man. Like,
Yeah?
it doesn't really happen in England.
What?
Yeah.
Like, it's only like big deal stuff they'll sue people?
Like, if you have like an accident at a theme park or something, you'll...
Of course.
Yeah, but you don't sue like fellow people very often.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Alright.
never really.
On some fast food chain, there is a girl who slipped on the french fry that was on the ground and somehow got serious problem because of this, and then she sued the fast food chain.
Yeah, but it's quite rare, right? Like, you don't hear... Like, in America,
No,
everybody sues
yeah, we
everybody.
heard the
right?
cases
Yeah.
from America. Is
The
it a
girl was
real
from
stuff?
America.
I heard a lady put her cat in the microwave to dry it after washing it.
What the fuck?
And then she sued the microwave company because the cat died.
Oh my god. Did she win?
I don't know.
Uh,
I mean, you can
But I'm not
start,
even
I
sure
heard,
that's
I heard that story too, though.
you
Yeah.
can start any lawsuit pretty much. Whether or not you'll win is different, but yeah, you can get sued for really fucking stupid things.
I mean, the logic was that as long as it's not written in the manual book, just the manual, you are not supposed to put your cat inside. There's no reason not to.
it's so dumb though. It's like, oh, I just like, oh, didn't say not to do it. Like,
Like America, it's
oh, you can't see anything.
like America feels the need to police you. You know, like the government, organizations. Here, it's like you need to police yourself. Make sure you don't do anything stupid. No one's gonna tell you not to do anything.
Yeah, yeah.
No, but no one's gonna tell you not to do it. And you do it and you take it down.
What the fuck? Wow, this tree is massive. She's big. She's girthy.
They have phone gimbals in stores here.
Phone gimbals? Oof. I would be very surprised if you were to find one here in Laos. Yeah. I mean, maybe, but like
a lot of phone stores.
maybe. Like I haven't really looked, but just like I don't feel like that's something they just supply.
Maybe it's something I should really try.
They probably have like it's like sticks or tripods of some sort though.
I mean the gimbal.
Wow. Holy crap.
Okay, wet ass water.
Yeah, I think so too. I was gonna say. This is an incredible waterfall. I've seen quite a few since I've been traveling. I'd say this is top 5 at least, easy. Yeah. Probably top 3 for me. Yeah, same. Oh, that durian stinks. It's a hustle, man. Good? Oh man, that is what? I think I already have our rain gear on. Wind, it's the wind. I know.
Why the fuck did that bring a rain jacket to Asia during rainy season?
What a waterfall, that's beautiful. I think out of all of Southeast Asia, this one, the one in Luang Prabang in Laos, and the one in Chiang Mai near Chiang Mai that I saw, I think those are the top 3. This is and this is definitely, I think I might put this second, honestly. I think the Chiang Mai is number 1. I think Luang Prabang is number 3. This one's beautiful. Yeah, can I get a photo?
When they're trying to go down, huh? You can leave the bag somewhere. Is everyone getting one?
dry zone. Huh? The dry zone. I think I'm more wet from that than I was from the bike.
Number one track?
Yeah. Screw it, I guess, yeah.
It's fucking soaking wet.
Oh my god. This might be a bit of a mess. Oh no.
Waterfall.
Yeah, okay. Jump in. Oh, that side's not. I'm so good. Oh my god. Okay, fuck it, whatever. It doesn't matter anymore.
Oh, I'm so fucking sweaty. We have to take a selfie.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, you got it. Get the GoPro.
Okay, we all need to get in a photo together. Okay, everybody get in, get in. It's just being free. Okay, it's fuck it. Hey, back up. I'm drenched, like I can't be any more wet. My backpack's not waterproof, but whatever. Oh my god.
It better have been worth it.
Oh my gosh. I'm drenched.
That was cool though, right?
That was so sick. Okay, just hold it the other way. Nope. Just like turn the camera. No, like turn the whole thing. Yeah, I don't know.
Can you go down?
Here, right? I got it. Ready? Hold it. It's okay.
Yeah. No, you can take pictures only like this.
No, it just his phone's wet, so he can't turn the screen around. It doesn't. The button's not working. We don't need a shower anymore, so it's.
We're not on scooter anymore. Why would I take my race jacket? Have you ever been to the Niagara Falls?
Yeah. Oh yeah, now
You
you're.
feel like this?
Oh, Niagara Falls is like a wall. Oh, the mist. If you get up close to it, yeah. They do boat rides where they drive right up to the water, and yeah, you get soaked. Yeah, they're fun. Maid of the Mist, right?
Huh?
It's called Maid of the Mist.
Okay.
It drives through the mist.
Okay.
I don't know if my lighting's gonna. How about you?